last day na rin namin as first year. Yeah.
Ayun, napagalitan ako ng nanay ko. So, yeah.
I might just call and catch a play. I might just come see you today. You wait, I'm stuck up in my ways. But love it when I'm playing games. That's the only way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away. I leave you screaming anything. You find a way to keep me in. Make me think it through some magic and yeah, like you did it. Yeah.
Hi friends! Today is our finals exams and last day na rin namin as first year. Yeah. Super daming tao kahit bumabagyo kasi parang ang daming applicants, di ba? Super daming freshie, incoming freshie. Okay. So kami yung super layo ng room. I don't know why. Kung kailan bumabagyo, dun kami sa pinaka layo-layong room nilagay. Pero no complaints since last day na rin naman.
Kabangga na siya, good pa din.
My wish for second year is classmates ko ulit ang rebels. Right, Pat?
Yeah, and walang bagsak.
No failing grades, please.
Hi guys, so kahit naman pagbalik mo dito.
Oo nga, ano sagot? Beneficence? Or autonomy?
I don't know.
Beneficence sagot.
Autonomy sagot.
So guys, story time. May nakitang lipstick si mother sa sasakyan, tapos di sa kanila guys. So, ayun o, mga saraling, suspect. Kaya guys, ayun, napagalitan ako ng nanay ko. So, yeah, visit.
Huwag ka nagmumura sa... So, our exam in Hislek is done. Ano ba? Ha? Kakain sila? Ayoko.
Are you gonna eat or yan?
Magla-live si Ino eh. Hindi ako magla-live!
Nagpapagising siya.
No. Hindi na sa'yo.
Nag-aaral.
Uy! Nag-study ako. Oh my God. Ang
Reply sa
pangit.
story ko, sabi niya leche ka, tapos natulog ulit.
Oh, hindi. Naligo na ako noon.
Diyan ka na, last day na.
Ka muna, ka muna.
Unsubscribe.
Oh my God. Unfollow. Last day.
Kami second year na, ikaw first year pa rin. Uy, hanggang before 12:20 lang daw yun. Adios, adios. Magalit
I
sa
forgot
akin.
to
Ano
use
yung
my
tawag sa
crowd
kanila?
stick.
Mga
Crowd stick.
parlorista.
What?
Yun. Nagagalit sila lagi sa akin. Kasi sobrang...
Chancellors.
Oo.
So I play music.
Tapos magtatawa siya.
Sabi mag-aaral tayo.
Game na nga.
Ayun. Oh, tingnan nyo. Guys, tingnan nyo yung mga kasama namin. Oh, hindi nagdala ng payong na ulan. Lalakas ng
Ano? Sige. Eman to the rescue.
No.
Ay, we're on the way to Lourdes. Papanotarize kami ng... What do you call that? Ano yun? What? Magpapanotarize kami ng document sa Lourdes. Hi, Bern!
Oh wait, na-expose na ako sa vlog niya. Uy, ano ba? Ay, ano ba?
Oh, you're so pretty.
Nanilig na ako. Sinabihan mo naman ko.
This was after finals. Ganyan,
Tas bigla-
Wala na akong energy.
Kasama ngayon.
Tuwan-tuwan niya sila Shigumi.
Nagtatampo ka nga pala. May type.
Uy, hindi yung type yun.
Eh, ikaw, dancer ka rin. Sadyang nung nag-ano. Pinapakain namin to kanina, ayaw kumain eh.
In my defense, wait lang. I'm chewing, wait. Iba ko ng story sa chan ko for a Jamba Juice. Na hindi natuloy.
Oops, wait, there's more. I thought I was going to be forever enslaved to the world of accountancy, numbers swirling around in my head 24/7. But here I am, alive and thriving, ready to happily recount some of this year's highlights as an MLS freshie student.
Ayan na. Ang galing.
Someone help!
Tumawag kayo ng ambulansya. Oh my God.
And 6. Now, sa 2 drops of pumpkins. Yan. 65.
Hindi ko rin nag-connect.
MacBook niya, MacBook!
Eh, pero...
Siya na po, dadasin natin. We're gonna do the sound. 2, 1.
I remember those days. We laughed until we cried. We supported each other through those midterms, trying to compensate the grades we had during prelims. And oh, the spontaneous late Discord nights.
Salamat, nasakto sa kanila.
Dapat equal yung degree per vertex.
The company wants to determine the
And of course, fairness and honesty.
Ang ganda ko dyan.
Feeling like it's mid-July under the sun. My jacket
Anong pinagkaiba ng research sa
Yung T-cell.
Hello, madam people. Ano yung kanta? Hello. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye!
Pag maganda pag yan, pag ano,
I know there's so much more to this journey. So here's to brighter days, puyat days, and to growth. See you next time, Katusoks. Not as a freshman student, but this time as a second year MLS student. Oh my god, Bayo Kim.
wait lang, feeling ko madilim. Pero,
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.